Are you ready to embark on the journey of installing Windows on your PC? Lab work can be a daunting task, but fear not. In this lesson, we will guide you through the process of installing Windows on your PC step by step. Whether you are a computer studies teacher or a beginner, this guide will ensure that you have a smooth and successful installation. The importance of lab work and Windows installation. Lab work plays a vital role in the world of technology. It allows us to experiment, learn, and innovate. Installing an operating system like Windows on your PC is a fundamental task in lab work. This process provides an opportunity to explore new features, enhance performance, and ensure system compatibility. Let's delve into the lab. Let's begin our lab step 1. Gathering the required tools. Before diving into the installation process, it is crucial to ensure that you have all the necessary tools at your disposal. Here's a list of items you will need. A licensed copy of the Windows operating system. A USB flash drive or a DVD, a PC with compatible hardware specifications. Step 2. Preparing the installation media. To start the installation process, you need to prepare the installation media. Follow these steps. Insert the USB flash drive or DVD into your PC. Download the Windows Media Creation tool from the official Microsoft website. Run the Media Creation tool and select Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file, for another PC. Choose the desired language, edition, and architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. Select either a USB flash drive or ISO file as the installation media. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the creation process. Step 3. Booting from the installation media. Now that you have the installation media ready, it's time to boot your PC from it. Here's how you can do it. Restart your PC and enter the BIOS settings by pressing the designated key, usually DEL, F2, or F10, during startup. Locate the Boot or Boot Order tab in the BIOS settings. Set the boot priority so that the PC boots from the USB flash drive or DVD first. Save the changes and exit the BIOS settings. Step 4. Installing Windows. With the PC configured to boot from the installation media, it's time to install Windows. Follow these instructions. Connect the USB flash drive or insert the Windows DVD into your PC. Restart your PC and wait for the installation screen to appear. Select the desired language, time and currency format, and keyboard layout. Click Install Now to begin the installation process. Enter the product key when prompted. Accept the terms and conditions and click Next. Choose the type of installation you want, custom or upgrade. Select the partition where you want to install Windows or create a new partition. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. In conclusion, installing Windows on your PC is an exciting and rewarding lab work experience. By following the steps outlined in this article, you can successfully install Windows and enjoy its benefits. Remember to gather the necessary tools, prepare the installation media, boot from it, and follow the on-screen instructions for a smooth installation. Happy lab work!